Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I will give you this free trial for Shopify. You will pay $1 for 3 months as gift. You can try anything in your shop, you can learn anything, you can start selling, and if you don't want to continue, you can cancel this in time. So if you want to start this, you will pay $1, just $1 after free trial on 14 day. So this is when you can start anytime, you can end it anytime. So all you have to click the link in the description to get this discount. So you will be rich if you try, you'll be poor if you don't. What you will gonna lose? Free time on Facebook? I think you have to try anything make you successful in life, and this is one way to be successful in your life. So if you want this free trial, you will find the link in the description to start your journey as I am start my journey. Everyone have the journey of his life. So today is yours.